and cybersecurity in corporate sector. So first of all, guys, in the chat box, you all can write whether I'm audible to you all or not. So if I'm audible, you all can reply yes, sir, so that I'll proceed further. All right, so I could see candidates are writing yes, I'm audible. So first of all, I'll be sharing a set of a message for those candidates who are not able to hear me currently. So they have to change few settings, and then we'll proceed further with this webinar kept from Langmify in association with Talakunchi. So for now, I've shared one message in the chat box for those candidates who are not able to hear me. And in the next 2 to 3 minutes, we'll proceed further, guys. All right, guys. So I could see that maximum of the candidates are able to hear me now, and everyone is fine with the settings. So now we'll proceed further with this webinar, which is kept on the topic use and application of artificial intelligence and cyber security in a corporate sector in a company. How as a company we are working on the domains and what are the benefits which you all will be getting. We'll discuss each and everything and we'll proceed further. So guys, first of all, myself, Mr. Pushparaj Singh, the product manager expertise, along with the manager in artificial intelligence based platform from Langmify, who is going to conduct this particular webinar. So first of all, guys, I can see that everyone is interested into artificial intelligence and cybersecurity, and these are the two particular domains. These are the two particular fields which is really growing and it is evergreen. So one of the things which we have seen that even when we go for the final year students placement and for the role of a backend developer and front end developer and different role of AI or cyber security, so we have seen a lot of students being interested into this particular domain and they really want to join AI based company. But one of the things which we have seen that when we ask the question in the interview, then what is the application of AI in a company? How we as a company we work on it? So we have seen a lot of students lagging behind into the practical knowledge. So to give the same knowledge about this particular AI and cybersecurity, we have kept this webinar. So first of all, to start with the topic, we'll start with the introduction of Langmify and then Talakunchi as a company and what we do and how we use AI and cybersecurity so that you can get a clear picture as we are conducting this particular webinar. So before proceeding further, I would like to ask one of the question and I want this session to be interactive. So very first question which I'll be asking to each and every one of you is that students, according to you, what do you think that what is the end goal of a student when they join an engineering college? what is a student, which what a particular thing student looks after 4 years of their engineering. You all can reply in the chat box depending upon your thoughts. All right, Bhavesh is writing placement, location placement, jobs, campus placement, Disha placements, Vivek Jain, skills that can solve the real life problem, that great professional skill, good career opportunities, that's great for jobs, skill, campus placements, all right, job, all right, higher studies, but that's great. So the maximum of the answer which I could see here is students, candidates writing placements and the job upgradability for sure. That's great knowledge. That's great, Navya, knowledge. So of course, when you will be having the knowledge, theoretical as well as practical knowledge, of course, the placement will be given to you, right? So I could see that maximum of the candidates are writing placement, and few of them has written higher studies, and very less has written entrepreneurship or startup. So each and every case, whatever in the future you are trying to do, the practical knowledge is really important, because now let's discuss about the placement a bit. You all will be knowing that in a placement there are 3 to 4 steps. The first one is Vishnu Reddy, research and development. That's really great. This term I'll be discussing in the later stages, which is called R&D, right? So when in the placement you go, so very first step is OT, online test, the second GD, and in the third step interview. So in the interview, we see the students having practical skills or not, whatever they have written in their resume, do they have really knowledge about it or not? And if you have the knowledge, if you meet the requirement of the companies and you have skills which are going to give you the better designation, in that case, the placement of course will be given to you. Now let's start with the introduction of Langify, and last let's start with the introduction of artificial intelligence. So to start with the introduction of Langify, I would like to ask one of the question, guys. How many of you have used or heard Grammarly tool? How many of you have heard or used Grammarly tool? Even though you haven't heard, no need to worry, but I just want to know how many of you have heard. Vivek Jain, yes sir, I used. All right. Bhaskar, yes. Yes, sir. All right. Ishan Shukla, yes, sir. All right. Yes. So I could see maximum of the candidates have heard about it or used. So even though you haven't used, what Grammarly as a tool does, understand it properly. Imagine if you're writing a mail or a message or a note to anyone, and you have installed Grammarly in your device. So it will automatically correct your spelling mistakes. It will automatically correct your grammatical errors, whatever you're making while writing a mail or a message or a note to anyone. So that is a very basic model of artificial intelligence. But Langify as a company, we have updated Grammarly. We have updated version of Grammarly. So we have built a model using the help of artificial intelligence, where a user can come, they can record their own voice and they can set it up here. Our AI-based system will give the feedback in the seconds, whether you have pronounced the word correct or not, whether the statement which you have recorded, is it making grammatical sense or not, right? So this is completely done using the help of artificial intelligence. So to understand this, let's take a very basic example. Let's take an example of a candidate who is preparing for a job interview, right? And he or she is really confused whether they are pronouncing the word correct or not, whether the whole statement is making grammatical sense or not. So what they can do, they can come on our platform, they can record their voice, either it can be a word or a whole statement. Our AI based system will give them the feedback in the seconds, which all word they have pronounced wrong, what all grammatical errors are there, and the system will give you the feedback how to pronounce a word, how to arrange your whole statement into the grammatical sense. So this is all done using the help of artificial intelligence, and not only in English. We have built different platforms for different languages. All right, and it gives you the feedback in the seconds. So this is completely done using the help of artificial intelligence, and in the further stage, we'll be discussing how we have built this particular platform. But for now, let's come back to the artificial intelligence. So to make you understand artificial intelligence, I'll be giving few of the examples, and then we'll be able to understand it more properly. So very first basic example of AI, which I will be able to give you, and you all would have noticed this basic example of AI. So how many of you have noticed this part, that when you open your smartphone and when you open the front camera of your phone, it shows your age? How many of you have noticed this part? All right. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes. Yes, sometimes it shows your wrong age, because that's a very basic model and it is a very basic example so that you all can relate it to. All right, so it was a very basic example. The second example which I would like to give you of artificial intelligence, and maximum of you are aware of that particular example. So maximum of you would have used Google Assistant or Siri or Alexa, right? So this is one of the best example of artificial intelligence which I would like to give you here is. So this example shows that if you have a practical knowledge of AI, if you know how to build a platform using artificial intelligence, if you have that knowledge, then you can make any work around you easy. Whatever work you see around you, it can be made easy using the help of artificial intelligence. Now, imagine if you have saved your mother's number as mom in your mobile and you want to send hi message on the WhatsApp. So what is the normal procedure? We open our WhatsApp, we open our smartphone, then we open the WhatsApp, there we search our mom's contact and then we write hi and then we send it. But using the help of Google Assistant or Siri, you can just say, okay, Google, the window will pop up. There you just have to say, kindly write hi to my mom on WhatsApp. It will automatically write hi and it will send it. So you see that how easy it is when you can build a model using the help of artificial intelligence and you know how to build it, so you can make any work easy, right? So this was the introduction of Langify, and this was the introduction of artificial intelligence and the very basic example. In the further stage, we'll be discussing few examples and the further we'll proceed further with the topic. Now let's come back to the Talakunchi cybersecurity. So to explain you the cybersecurity or Talakunchi, one of the best question which I would like to ask you all here is, can anyone name me the companies last year which got attacked with the cyber attacks? Can you please name out the companies which got attacked with the cyber attacks? Yes, the companies last year which were attacked with the cyber attacks. What all companies which you know about? All right, Facebook. Yep. Domino's. That's great. Twitter. All right. Facebook. That's great. Twitter. All right. Yeah, guys. So as maximum of you are writing Domino's, so let's take that example. So what last year what we have seen that Domino's, the whole data got leaked. So there you can see the customer's name, their mobile number, their address, and what was the amount they ordered, and what food did they order, and what was the address, right? So everything got leaked. So this is basically a cyber breach or a cyber attack. That's where the cyber security comes into the picture. So Talakunchi is a company is completely providing the cyber security service to 100 plus partner companies where they protect the data, the whole system using the help of cybersecurity. So in that case, you have to protect the system along with the data which you have stored of the customers or the clients, depending upon the requirement of the companies. So that comes completely under the picture of the cybersecurity. Now, we as a company are conducting this particular webinar to give you the idea how to build your own model and how to build a particular cybersecurity service, right? And how to gain the practical knowledge of artificial intelligence or cybersecurity. So we as a company are only going to provide you this particular knowledge, right? So now let's proceed further with the topic, guys. Use an application of AI and cybersecurity. Yes. So first of all, guys, how many of you have heard about NLP, natural language processing? NLP. All right, no? No? Yes, sir, I've heard. Okay. Even though you don't know, in that case, no need to worry. And how many of you have heard about lexical processing? So these are the terms of the artificial intelligence which we are going to discuss. I'll write in the chat box so that you all will be getting clear. Lexical processing. All right, so maximum of the candidates haven't heard about lexical processing. So it's a part of a natural language processing. So to understand lexical processing, kindly be attentive here. So first of all, let's come back to the introduction of Langify. So what I said, that our system will record your voice and it will give you the feedback whether you have pronounced the word correct or not. So to give you the feedback, the system has to understand what is the meaning of the word. So let's take an example. Let's take an example who is of a candidate who is confused with the pronunciation of a word called bench, bench. So what they'll do, they'll come on a platform, they'll record their voice saying bench. Now our system has to give the feedback, but before giving the feedback, they have to understand what is the meaning of the word bench. So that's why we have implemented lexical processing. So the moment you implement lexical processing into a system, it will start understanding the meaning of the word. So that's what is the meaning of a lexical processing, guys. The second one is syntaxical processing. So it will arrange your whole statement into the grammatical sense. So these are the two terms which we have discussed in now, and the further workflow also will be discussing. But before that, I would like to ask one of the most important question to you all. So understand this question, guys, properly, that if I give you a scale between 1 to 10, if I give you a scale between 1 to 10, and if I ask you, how difficult it is for you to walk in into a company, and work on the project of the company with the manager. 10 being the most difficult. How difficult it is for you to walk in into a company and work on the projects of the company with the manager. 10 being the most difficult. So you all can rate yourself, and depending upon your feedback, I'll proceed further, guys. All right, 10, 12, 7, 9, 8. You asked 5. All right. 7, 7 to 8. Disha 9. Shivalila 9. Ishan 10. All right. 5, 8. All right. 9, 5. That's great. 9. All right. So thank you for replying the chat box, guys. The average number which I could see here, it lies between 8 to 9, which is a normal answer. Why? Because here I was talking about the projects, guys. I was not talking about the internship. Here itself, the R&D comes into the picture, research and development. So each and every company has their own research and development team, research and development department, R&D department. You all would have heard about Samsung, Accenture, Deloitte. So each and every company has their own R&D department, but they don't allow the students to work with them, because to work in that particular department, you should have minimum PhD degree or MTech degree. That also, if you want to work into Samsung companies, in that case, you should have a PhD degree from IITs, NITs, and triple ITs. So that's what I was mentioning here. The projects. I was not talking about the internship, and that's why we have seen these days. You have to understand this part completely. That we have seen these days. We as a company are seeing these days that the students are joining the random platforms. They are paying 8,000 and 15,000 rupees, and they are joining the random platforms, and they are gaining the same knowledge which they gain in the college. Because even we have done the engineering, and according to us, if you ask, then the best teachers which are present are already present in your college. The best faculties, they are having MTech and PhD degrees, so they are the best teachers which you can get, and you can get the theoretical as well as practical knowledge, right? So but we seeing that the students are joining random platforms. They are learning the same thing which they learned in the college. That's why I mentioned here the projects, because when you are going for the placements or even the internship, your skills are being tested, and even your practical knowledge are being tested. That's why I mentioned here the projects. One other thing which you all would have noticed here is that when you are in your class and you are making notes, so for the next day you'll remember it, but if you don't revise it, you will completely forget that complete term which you have learned in your class. How many of you have noticed this particular part, that when you don't revise it, you will start forgetting the terms and the concepts? Yes, sir, I have noticed. Yeah, so that's really great. But one of the things which you all would have noticed, that when you're working practically, on something, you won't forget it. Let's take example of a civil engineering student. That imagine if he or she is studying about structural engineering, or let's about the beams or columns. Imagine if they are just studying and not working practically on that, not going on the field and working on it. So they won't be clear with the concepts. But the moment they'll work on AutoCAD or StatPro or Revit or different kind of softwares, or they'll go on the field, so in that case their concepts will be completely clear. That's why you would have noticed that the students who have practical knowledge, they get placed into the core companies, they get placed into the field in which they are interested into it, because they have the practical aspect of the knowledge. And that's what companies test in the during your placements. So here, Langify, in association with Talakonchi, is providing the students opportunity to work with on our projects with the manager of our company. The projects also I'll be showing it to you, which are based on artificial intelligence and which are based on the cyber security. And I'll be showing you the manager also, which will be present with you during this projects. And here, when you'll be working with the company, you'll be building 2 models of artificial intelligence, and on 3 projects of cyber security. You'll be working depending upon your interest, whether you want to work on AI or whether you want to work on the cyber security. So we are allowing the students to work with us on these projects which we are offering to the students, and you'll be working with the company here itself. So first of all, guys, there's a process of registration which I'll be sharing it to you. It's a Google form, and in the next 2 minutes, I'll be giving only 2 minutes of time to you all. And in the next 2 minutes, we'll proceed further with the further workflow, the resume or the CV part. Everything we'll be discussing here. But very first, I'll be sharing one Google form, and I'll be giving only 2 minutes of the time, guys. All right, so the Google form has been shared in the chat box. So if you can't find it in your chat box, it will be shared in the official WhatsApp group of Langvify 2. And in the next 2 minutes, we'll proceed further. while filling the Google form, you all have to fill the email ID properly, because after filling the Google form, you'll get a mail, confirmation mail, and where you can see your response. So kindly fill your email ID properly. Sir, I want to work in the both domains, artificial intelligence and cyber security. So in that case, you need to fill the Google form 2 times, guys. Yes, you are completely correct, Bhaskar. R&D department works on the projects. So our R&D department is allowing the students to work on the projects on which we are working on. That's a very good question, sir. I'm in mechanical department. I don't have any prior knowledge about artificial intelligence. Can I work on it? That's a very good question which you have asked me, and I'll be taking your question in the next 1 minute. I'll proceed further with your question itself. That's a very good question which you have asked. Vardhani, if you are interested into both artificial intelligence and cyber security, so in that case, you need to fill the Google form 2 times. So, guys, I'll be giving only 30 seconds more, and I'll proceed further after that. All right, guys. So now we'll proceed further. I see that maximum of the candidates have filled the Google form. One of the good question, one more. I guess I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. It's Medara Metla. Sir, I don't know anything about AI. Can you help me to know the subject? That's completely a good question, which I'll be explaining it to you. So first of all, you have to understand this opportunity we as a company which are providing it to you. There you'll be working on the practical application of a particular domain, where you won't be getting only the theoretical knowledge, as well as you'll be knowing how as a company we work on it. And one of the best part which we have seen, that when a student is having this knowledge, when they have a prior knowledge of a particular domain with the company, in that case they are eligible not only for the placements, also for a better designation when they are getting placed. So this is what we are providing you currently, this opportunity we as a company are providing you to work on our projects with the manager of our company, and this is completely with the R&D department, right? And now After this projects, after when the projects will be completed, guys, when the projects will be completed, so does internship on data science, we don't provide data science on any random platform or random courses. This is not even a course, this is a project opportunity which we are providing. We are not any platform which will provide you the teachers or stuff to guide you. Our manager of the company will be there to help you in these projects, and they will be present with you during these projects, right? And no data science, only artificial intelligence and cyber security, because we are only working on these two particular domain. Now when your projects will be completed here with the companies, you will be eligible for the guaranteed internship from the same company. So imagine if you have gone for artificial intelligence from Langify, so you'll be getting the internship on artificial intelligence from Langify itself. If you have selected cybersecurity Talakunchi, so you'll be getting the internship from cybersecurity Talakunchi, and if you have selected both, then you'll be getting the internship from both of the companies. So very first you'll be getting the projects which I'll be showing it to you. In the second month you'll be getting the internship for 45 days, in which if we see that a candidate is performing really good, then we as a company provide you the stipend from our side. So stipend is the amount which you get paid during your internship tenure depending upon your performance. All right. So I could see that many of the candidates are writing, sir, that I don't have any prior knowledge of AI or cybersecurity. We understand that you all are college going students and each and everyone is not in CSE or Triple E or EC. So everyone won't be having programming language knowledge. Keeping all these things in the mind, for the very first month when you'll be getting selected for this program, very first month, you will be getting prerequisites knowledge. Our mentors will be there who will guide you from basic to advanced level knowledge of artificial intelligence and machine learning, plus the programming language. If you are selecting cybersecurity, then very first month you'll be getting the basic to advanced level knowledge of cybersecurity plus the programming language, so that you can work on the project of the company in the second month, and in the third month you'll be getting the internship. Now, as one of the candidates asked me, sir, I'm in mechanical department. So but the best example which I could give here is the founder of the company Langify. The sir himself is from IIT Bombay and he's from mechanical department. So it's not like if you're studying mechanical or civil or biotech or biomedical or different branch, you can't go for artificial intelligence or cybersecurity, because these days you all would be noticing that even in aeronautical engineering, even in civil engineering, there is a huge application of artificial intelligence. And when you are building a model of AI, cybersecurity automatically comes into the picture, because the model which you are building, the system which you are building, you have to protect that. You have to control that the data from any cyber attacks, right? So these are the various examples of the artificial intelligence. The second reason which why we are giving this opportunity to the students is, very first, the one thing which I would like to make clear here is that this opportunity we give once in 2 years or 3 years, because here you'll be working with the company. Teachers won't be there to guide you, rather the manager of the company will be there to help you, right? So now this opportunity which is being given to you, it is project plus internship opportunity, where not only the theoretical knowledge, but you will be gaining the practical knowledge. Sir, how will internship help us to place in top companies? That's a good question, Vardhini, which you have asked me. So not only internship, because see, the thing is that when you do an internship, in that case you get a certification, but you don't focus in internship. So in that case, you imagine if you have done the internship in the third year and your placement is in fourth year, so in a huge 1 year gap, you will completely forget that thing which you have done in your internship. So in that case, we see that maximum of the candidates do internship, but they don't get placed into a better company. But here, the opportunity which is being provided to you, here you'll be working on the projects plus internship, guys. So when you'll be working on the project, everything will be given access to you. In that case, even after 1 year or 2 years, you want to completely go through the same, you can completely do it, which I'll be explaining it to you. I know about C, C++, Java, .NET through C. All right, can these are useful for AI? That's great, Vishnu, but even Python is very necessary, and that also will be covering here for the very first one. But one of the best part which I'll be telling you here is that the reason why we are providing this opportunity, the very first reason we are providing this opportunity is to give the students the practical application knowledge of artificial intelligence or cybersecurity. The second reason is we see that the maximum of the college students are not aware about how a company is working and how companies hire. So this opportunity will be already given to you in the same field, in the same thing. You'll be learning about the professionalism of the company, how as we hire the students and how you should be in a company, right? Now, as we give this opportunity once in 2 years or 3 years, right? So that's why we have this time we are giving this opportunity. So we have collaborated with the educational company One Stop. All right, there only we have hosted our whole program so that the students can get everything at one place itself. So for now, I'll be showing you our projects of artificial intelligence and the projects of cybersecurity, guys, in the next 1 minute. Are you all able to see the screen of the projects, guys, which I'm showing it to you? Are you all able to see it? Langify project screen. All right, thank you. So these are the two projects Langify, we as a company, our R&D department is working on it. The first one is building automatic speech recognition system, and the second one is language modeling in ASR. So these are the two projects on which you will be working with the manager of the company. But before proceeding with these two projects, the very first month you'll be getting trained of the artificial intelligence and machine learning plus the programming language. In the second month, you'll be working on these two projects. And in third month, you'll be working on the internship for 45 days. Now, the benefit which you all will be getting is after completion of the whole program, you all will be getting internship certificate plus project completion certificate, and even your resume, the CV will be built automatically. So the CV will be built automatically from One Stop. So that's why we have collaborated with them, because they are giving the benefits to the students. What? That they will be providing you the resume after the completion of your whole program. So just give me a second, guys. I'll be showing you the resume which I'm talking about here. And the resume is completely corporate friendly. Just give me a second. So I guess everyone is able to see the resume which I'm showing it here. Am I right? Yep, thank you. So yes, this is the resume which will be automatically built, and this resume is corporate friendly, and any outline you can download after completion of your whole program. So this is one of the benefit which you will be getting from the one-stop side. Now, guys, you have to completely understand what this opportunity is. This opportunity is to gain the practical knowledge, to understand the domain, and to work on the models. Because one of the best part here is that when you'll be working on a project plus internship, you'll be having experience. In that case, whenever you will be getting placed, because during the placements, guys, the interviewer tests your skills. The test what kind of knowledge you are having. Are you writing any random things in your CV? Are you writing any random things in your resume? Or do you literally have a knowledge about it or not? So this is all we test in the interview. And when you work on the projects, right, in that case, you are eligible for a better designation during the placement drives. And if there are lack of opportunities in your college, you can completely apply for off-campus opportunities, because your resume will be built that will be having every detail about you. For now, I'll be showing you the cybersecurity project on which Talakunchi is working. So kindly give me 2 seconds. I'll be showing it to you. So are you all able to see the Talakunchi cybersecurity projects which I'm showing it to you? The beginner one is authentication bypass. The intermediate one is scanning using OWASP. And the advanced one is scanning for open ports and attacking them. Are you all able to see it? All right, thank you. So these are the three projects on which cybersecurity is working, guys. And the mentor you can see, Pujita ma'am will be available with you. She is the mentor of the R&D department. She is the manager of the R&D department. And from Langify, Neha Soni ma'am will be present with you. She is the manager of the R&D department of Langify Artificial Intelligence. So this is the opportunity which is being provided to you from the company side. So very first thing which I would like to get clear here is that here you don't need to pay 8,000, 15,000 rupees, and here the teachers won't be there to guide you on a particular domain. Here you'll be only gaining the practical knowledge, the practical aspect of a particular domain. You'll be working on the models, and you'll be working with the manager of the company, right? So as this opportunity is being given to you from the company and itself, so that's why we have collaborated completely with the one stop, and from them only you'll be getting the dashboard for the lifetime. So this dashboard which you'll be getting, This dashboard will be given to you for the lifetime, so that even after 1 year or 2 year or 3 years, you want to download your certification or your CV, you can completely download it anytime. Right, so that's why we have collaborated with Dashboard. And one of the best part is that even after 2 years, you want to go through your complete projects or complete internships. So in that case, you can again go through it. No, this is not from One Stop. This is from our company Tala Conchi and our company Languify. So we as a company, as we work on artificial intelligence and as we work on the cyber security, so that's why to give you the projects, we have collaborated with them. And here only we have hosted our whole program. All right. So yes, as this opportunity which is being given to you to work with the company, there are limited number of seats, right? So we don't allow every student to work with us. There are limited number of seats because here you'll be working with the companies. All right. So very first, I'll be showing you the number of the seats which is available here to work with the company, which is Tala Conchi. Apart from that, which is Languify Artificial Intelligence. So guys, are you all able to see the number of the seats which are available for the cybersecurity Tala Conchi? Are you all able to see the number of the seats here? All right. Out of 57 seats are remaining for cybersecurity Tala Conchi, and for Languify Artificial Intelligence, as I could see, 10 of the seats are remaining. All right. So as I've explained that we are only allowing 50 students to work with us on these 3 or 2 projects, whichever you are interested into it. And there are 10 of the seats which are remaining for Languify Artificial Intelligence, and there are 7 of the seats which are remaining for the cybersecurity. So one last time I'll explain you what is this whole complete program. Don't get confused it with a course. Here we are not going to guide you. A teacher will be not there to guide you a theoretical part. Rather, manager of the company will be there to work with you on these 2 projects or 3 projects, and after that you will be getting the internship. But very first month when you will be getting selected here, you will be getting trained from basic to advanced level of artificial intelligence or machine learning or cyber security plus the programming language. So as I've mentioned that you all would have noticed that when you are learning something theoretically and not revising, so in that case completely you forget terms. But here above that, you all everyone's goal here is to get placed into a better company. So that's why a company is there to help you on a particular domain. So that you will be working with the company. Correct? So as the dashboard will be provided to you from One Stop, from Languify and Tala Conchi, this program has been kept completely free. But as you are getting the dashboard for the one from the One Stop, so the dashboard will be provided to you for the lifetime from the One Stop. So they have a small service charge, only one-time service charge for the dashboard. And we know that you all are going to a college going student, so that's why the charge is not 8,000 and 15,000. Rather, the charge is only 1,199 plus 18% GST, which I'll be showing it to you, which is 1,468. So I guess everyone is able to see it. So this charge is only one-time charge for the dashboard, which you'll be getting from the One Stop. So after this process of registration, in the next 1 hour, guys, you all will be getting user ID and password. And within 36 hours, your program will start. One of the best thing which I will tell you to everyone is that don't rush for this program. Don't go for the certifications. If you really want to gain the knowledge, the practical knowledge, in that case, you should go for this program. If you are only thinking about the certification, then you should not go for this program, because if you don't have the knowledge and if you have the certification, then it doesn't make sense. But if you really want to gain the knowledge, so in that case, you should go for this program. So the charge is only one-time charge, and after this payment registration, you don't need to complete any payment registration. Automatically, you will be shifted to your projects and internship. And this is only 1,468, including the GST, guys. So for now, I'll be sharing the second process of registration link, which is a Google form. When you open the Google form, you have to fill your name, email ID, and the domain which you are interested into. In the second page, you'll be finding the payment link. After the payment link, when you'll complete your payment registration, you have to write your name in the chat box that you have completed the payment on this domain. And in the last, I will be announcing the name of the candidates here. So for now, I'll be sharing the second process of registration link. No, it's not 14,000, it's 1,468, and it's only one-time payment. After this registration, you don't need to do any payment. Yes, it is for the dashboard. You're completely right. No, web development is not from our company. We, Languify and Tala Conchi, are only working on artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. So we don't allow web development or data science or different domains. So for now, the second process of registration, it has been shared in the official WhatsApp group. In the chat box, and it will be shared in the official WhatsApp group. After completion of the payment, you have to write your name in the chat box so that I'll confirm your slot, guys. So can I pay on tomorrow? You can completely pay, but it depends upon the number of the seats. So if I see the number of the seats are filled in this webinar itself, then the seats might not be extended. Yes, 7 of the seats are remaining for cybersecurity and 10 of the seats are remaining for Langify Artificial Intelligence. After completion of your registration, you have to write your name and I'll be explaining you the further instructions, what you need to follow, what kind of mail you'll be getting. Yes, this whole program will be completely in the evening. And one of the best part is that during the internship, if we see that the pandemic situation is normal, then you will be getting an option to work from office. So we will be allowing you to work from office, but for that, the pandemic situation has to be normal at that time. So what is the advantage of two domains? See, the two domains advantage is if you're going for artificial intelligence and cybersecurity both. So in that case, you will be having a better competent. You will be having eligibility for a better designation when you'll be getting placed because two domains in that case, when you'll be building a model, you'll be having a knowledge how to protect the model or how to protect a system or a data. So in that case, you are having a more competency. Yes, so if you want to go for the two domains, then you need to complete the registration 2 times. Nivas, it will be live sessions in the project and internship. During the projects and internship, the mentors will be present with you live during that. Yes, it is only one-time payment. Yes, I'll confirm your slot, Bhaskar. So in the last, I'm going to announce each and every candidate's name there. And then I'll explain you the further instructions. Yes, we as a company has hosted our program on the one stop because the thing is that we are providing you the projects. So that's why we have given this opportunity where you'll be getting our projects plus our mentors plus our certification. And after completion of your program, you all will be getting certification and CV. So everything will be on this dashboard itself. Akshita, sir, as we are students, yes, Akshita, that's what I was telling, that if the pandemic situation is normal, you will be getting an option. If you want to work from home, you can continue working from home. But if you want to work from office, you can completely join the office. But for that, the pandemic situation has to be normal. Nivas, sorry, it depends upon the number of the seats. So as the students are writing their name in the chat box, I'll be confirming the name. In the last, I'll be announcing your name for the candidates who are getting selected for this program. So after the completion of the registration, you have to write your name in the chat box and with along with the domain so that I'll confirm your slot. Yes, the number of the seats are only 50 because this opportunity is to work with the company and that also on our projects which we work on. So that's why the limited number of seats is kept 50 out of which 7 is for cybersecurity remaining and 10 is remaining for the artificial intelligence language file. So guys, the second process registration link has already been shared in your official WhatsApp group of Langify also. So you can see from there itself if you can't find in the chat box. Yes, Sakshi, you're right. After completion, you have to write your name. Yes, Bhaskar, I'll be explaining the further instruction. In that case, no need to worry. But I'll announce the name of the candidates who have gotten selected in the next 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, I'll explain you the further instructions. So can I submit this project completion certificate in my college too? Yes, completely, because here you'll be working on the 2 projects or 3 projects and you'll be getting the certification which you can completely submit in your college. That's a good question. So during your examination, you can mail to the one-stop team and they will pause your program. And after completion of your examination, you can completely resume it. And the program will be completely in the evening so that it won't hamper your college timings. Yes, I'll be announcing the name of the candidate. So very first, I'm telling that you all have to write your name in the chat box so that in the last, I'll be announcing your name. Here guys would have observed that when you are in your final year, Rishita and Akshita, I'll confirm your slot. So when you are in your final year, you all would have noticed that when the companies are coming for different profile, a student gets confused. What tools should they learn? What software should they learn? And which profile they should go for? Right? In that case, they don't have time to learn new things. But when you are in your second year or third year, in that case, you have plenty of time. You have huge time to learn different things because in during the placements, a company doesn't come for only one profile or two profile. They come for various profiles, and different companies they come for different profiles. So in that case, you should be prepared, and you should be prepared for the domain in which you are interested into it. So in the second and third year, you have huge time to learn and to grab the opportunities. Pooja, it will be fourth year. That's a very good question which you have asked me, sir. What are the things which companies look for during the placement? Very first thing, that theoretical knowledge is the very most important stuff, important part which we look, because your concepts should be clear. And the second thing which we look, actually the very first thing which we look is that your resume, right? If you have written random internships, if you have written a lot of internships or projects or anything, so we ask the question depending upon that. Ishan Shukla, I'll confirm your slot. So we ask the question depending upon your resume. So we test the practical skills of a student. Of course, theoretical knowledge is really important, but apart from that, MR Reddy, I'll confirm your slot. So apart from the theoretical knowledge, because when you are getting placed into a company, you'll be working on our models, you'll be working on different tools. So in that case, we test the student whether they have the knowledge to work with us or not, whether they are having the best skill or not. So in that case, we test the practical skills of the students. So that's why we are providing you this opportunity. Anjana, I'll confirm your slot. Neha, the charge is for the dashboard, which is 1,468, and this dashboard will be provided to you for the lifetime. So you'll be having a lifetime access for this dashboard. The domain has not any charge. The charge of the dashboard, that is also service charge for the dashboard. So candidates, I'll be announcing the name in the next 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm telling that last time you have to write your name in the chat box as maximum of the candidates written. So I'll be announcing each and every candidate's name. They are checking with the system, and I'll be getting the final list, and I'll announce the name, and the seats will be automatically updated. Yes. So very first month, you'll be getting the basic to advanced level knowledge of which is called prerequisites, knowledge of a domain which you are selecting plus the programming language. During the second month, you'll be working on the projects of the company, and in the third month, you'll be working on the internship for 45 days. Right? So you'll be basically having the industrial knowledge in all these 3 months. Yes, the internship will be paid. I mean, you will be getting paid from our side depending upon your performance. So that is called stipend. So during the internship, if we see that the student is performing really good, the student is performing really good and they are really competent. So in that case, the stipend is being provided to you from our side. So stipend is the amount which you get paid during the internship tenure. So Anubhuti, how much is the stipend? That depends upon the performance, Anubhuti. Ishan, that's a really good question. If you have asked me after internship, can we get placed in the company? One of the best part is that, as I've explained, that Tala Kunchi is partnered with 100 plus companies, and even we as a company, Langvify has partnered with few more companies, like 50 to 60 plus companies. So we see that when the student is really working hard and when they have acquired and when they have become competent enough, so when your resume is built, it is being circulated among these companies which we have collaborated with, which we have partnered with. So if your resume is meeting with any company, if your resume is meeting with any company's requirement, and if they like it, so they'll be going to mail you in your final year for the pre-placement offer. You'll be getting the contact. You'll be getting mail from the particular company. That's why the dashboard is being given to you, right? So that dashboard is being given to you for the lifetime. So if any company is getting into touch with you, so they'll be checking your dashboard first. They'll be checking your dashboard first, what all projects you have worked on, how you have performed. So in that case, they'll be mailing you further for the PPO. Yes, so in the next 1 minute, I'm going to announce the name of the candidates who have gotten selected, and I'll explain you the further instructions now. Yes, guys. So I'm going to announce the name of the candidates who have gotten selected. So first. two of the seats are remaining for cybersecurity, and for Langify Artificial Intelligence, four of the seats are remaining. All right. So whoever has completed the second process of registration in the next 1 hour, don't forget to check your mail. In the next 1 hour, we'll be checking a mail. You have to check your mail. You will be getting the user ID and password. So what you have to do, guys, you have to come to the OneStop website and you have to log in using the user ID and password. After which you need to change the password first. When you'll be changing the password, you have to log out, log in again using the new password, then set up your profile. After that, you need to select the course, the branch, the artificial intelligence and the company, Langify. If you are paid for Talapunchi cybersecurity, then you need to select that. So when you'll be selecting that, then you need to submit, and then your project page will load. So when your project page will load, you have to wait for 36 hours. Within 36 hours, the continue option will be shared to you. Just give me a second. I guess everyone is able to see the Langify project screen. Are you all able to see it? Langify project screen. All right, thank you. So this Langify projects, imagine if you have selected artificial intelligence Langify, so you need to change your password first, then you have to log out, log in again using the new password, and then you need to select Langify artificial intelligence if you have paid for that. After selecting, this page will load. Then in that case, you won't find the continue option. Within the 36 hours, you'll find this continue option which says go to LMS. And when you'll be getting this continue option within 36 hours, your program will start. So the program will begin within the 36 hours when the LMS will be shared to you. Yes, so two of the seats are remaining for cybersecurity and four of the seats are remaining for the artificial intelligence. So I'll be waiting for the next 5 minutes and I'll be announcing the final list of the candidates' name again one more time and then we'll proceed further, guys. So meanwhile, whoever is completing the second process, you have to write your name. all, the system will ask you to change the password. So you need to change the password, and then you need to change the password, and then you need to log out. Log in again using the new password, and then you need to set up your profile. After setting up your profile, kindly select the domain which you have opted for. So after selection, the project page will load. So you need to wait for 36 hours. Within the 36 hours, the continue option LMS will be there, and then your program will start. The one-stop website, you need to log in, and the mail will be also coming from one-stop. So Akshita, everything will be written. The URL of the website will be also shared in the mail. So in that case, you don't need to worry. And in the further stage, if you have any confusion, you can completely contact the WhatsApp group admin, and they will be helping you in that case. So guys, I'll be waiting for the last 1 minute and I'll wrap up this meeting. So the candidates who have completed the second process of registration now, you can write your name. If I have not announced your name, you can write your name so that I'll check with the system and I'll confirm your slot. So do we need to pay every month 1,468? No, as I've completely explained you, the payment registration is only one-time payment. After this, you don't need to pay any amount. You will be automatically transferred to the projects and internship. But very first one, the prerequisites. So Sahil, congratulations, your slot has been confirmed. Bhavesh, congratulations, even your slot has been confirmed. Sri Mukhi, congratulations, even your slot has been confirmed. So I could see particular webinar. And I wish the best for you and perform better in the field whichever you're studying. And the candidates who have gotten selected for this program, we are looking to work with you in the projects and in the internship. So congratulations and have a great night. Yep, thank you.